Alright, just spent a couple hours getting the carbs back in the bike. Did put the cam chain tensioner back in. Actually ended up snapping off a bolt, which was frustrating, but I think I'm still going to give it a try and see if it turns over. Had the battery charging for about 2 hours. It's not fully charged, but you might be able to get an idea of if it's going to fire or not. I got rid of the bad gas and put in some new stuff, and I've got gas, I've got spark, I've got clean carbs. We'll see if it goes. This is literally the first time I've turned it on. I haven't run it and tested it beforehand. We'll see if it goes. Okay, let's see here. I got the switch on there. If you recall, this doesn't really work, but the thing is on run. We are ready to go. I've got my fancy little, actually let's see here, let's put this on choke. Let that sit for a while. This guy here, I'm not sure, it might need to be on prime, PRI. And let's see if it'll turn over. Let's see, it's not really doing much. Let's put this back on run. See if that helps anything. The carbs were completely empty. And looks like the wife is home. Doesn't really seem to be turning. It sounds like it's trying a little bit. Maybe it's because I didn't put enough fuel in there. Or put it on reserve, I should say. Yeah, it's dying down. Maybe I'll put it back on the charger for a while and give it another shot later.